Hello and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today we are going to do a negative space plaid manicure using this plate from Born Pretty. I love the designs on this. And I want to give you a quick preview of my last manicure. I'll put a card up there so you can watch that one if you want to check it out. For our base coat, I am using Skinny Dip from Essie. This is my favorite polish for your natural nails, but a little bit better. So it's definitely worth checking out if you have a similar skin tone to mine. It can look a little bit milky, so you kind of have to play with it. What I'm going to do first, after the base coat dries, is go in and stamp a darker purple. It's called Sassy from Maniology, and it's a little bit of a thicker plaid pattern. And I'm actually just going to do accent nails this time and stamp straight up and straight down. I'm really liking this clear jelly stamper, by the way. It's really good for showing you guys on video what I'm doing. You can actually see, and I love that. So those are the two nails that I'm going to use as accent nails. I'm going in with a wooden cuticle stick now just to break the polish away from the Queen Latex peel-off barrier. And then I have just recently tried this trick from Maniology. I hated their smudge-free top coat. Now I'm in love again. You can paint it onto the stamper and stamp it over your nail to keep from smearing everything. And it puts a very thin layer on so it dries really fast. I love it for this technique. I hate it if you paint it on. So if it's something you haven't tried yet, definitely give it a shot. Now I'm going to go in with Love Potion and stamp the thinner plaid pattern over the top just to give it a little more depth and layering to it. Now, if you want to get real crazy, you can put several layers of clear top coat in between this, then stamp the pink or whatever top color you're going to use on, and it'll give it kind of a shadowy, raised up, very depth look. I'm going to do a tutorial on that soon to show you what I'm talking about. But it's pretty cool if you put a couple layers of clear in between it too. So based on how much time you have, it might be worth checking out. I'm going to press straight up and straight down again and top coat it with the clear. The smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I'm telling you, I'm really tripping over this. I can't believe how nice that technique actually works. But don't think for a second you won't have to clean it off your hands if you're lazy and don't use a peel-off. Now, I decided that for the negative space part of this, having the other two nails with nothing on them just looked way too stark for me. So I went ahead and decided to paint Lassie over all of them. And if you see in that bottom left corner of my nail, I missed a spot. It happens. It happens. I can't see that spot when I'm filming, and I missed it. So if something like that happens to you, you can go back in and touch it up. But I did not catch it until much later, so is what it is. I'm putting on a quick dry top coat now, and I'm going to use just a couple of these little square, I don't even know what you call them, notions. These little square things. If you put gems on your nails, don't paint a top coat over the gems. It will ruin the luster of them. But if you have these little flat kind of metallic pieces, you can paint your top coat right over them after you place them, and it helps keep them from snagging and getting pulled off. I do that all the time for the flat stuff. And then again, that's me just going over it and making sure everything is top coated so it's all sealed in. And I'm going to top coat over the stamping because of course we don't want to lose that either. I actually thought these came out really cute. Very work appropriate. So there is the finished manicure. I really hope you like that one, and if you have any questions, let me know. There's a close-up for you so you can see my natural nail peeking through, which is the negative space. Really liked this one. Fun, quick, it only took me about 20 minutes to do this. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm going to put a playlist in the upper right hand corner for you to check out with a couple videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye.